Hi everyone, this is Karen Hooley, and I'm so excited to show you this cool little shamrock pattern as our crochet quickie this week. It's with St. Patrick's Day coming, I thought this would be fun to learn. And I'm using worsted weight yarn for this, but you can use any weight of yarn you want. You could go as small as thread and you could go as large as bulky. Just make sure you pick the right hook for what you're doing. There's really no gauge involved with this, and what's really cool about it is it's done in 2 rounds. And I'm using worsted weight yarn from Red Heart. This is just a green Super Saver from Red Heart. And I'm using a size 5mm, which is an H crochet hook, to make this shamrock. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is put your slip knot on your hook, and I already had the slip knot made. I just needed to put it on the hook. And with this, you're going to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to form a ring. So to do that, you're going to insert your hook into the first chain you made and make a slip stitch. And what this does is this creates a circle out of the chain we just made. So then you're going to chain 1 and you're going to single crochet in the ring. So you're going to actually go through the center of the ring and do your first single crochet. And then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then it says we're going to do that 4 times in the pattern. So we're going to single crochet again. And then chain 3. So that's 2. And then we're going to single crochet in the ring. Chain 3. That's 3 times. So single crochet in the ring and chain 3. So that's 4 times once I finish this chain. And the last step of round 1 is to slip stitch in the first single crochet that we made on this round. So we just find that first single crochet right here and we just do a slip stitch in it. And that is it for round 1. So if you look at this, I'm going to take my hook out. If you look at this, you have 4 chain 3 spaces. So here's the first one. Well, actually, this is the first one. That was the last one. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is right next to the loop. So we're going to put the loop back on. And we're going to start round 2. Round 2 says, in the next chain 3 space, work a slip stitch. And then you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to do 2 double triples. Now to do a double triple, I don't have a video on this. So I'm going to show you right here how to do it. A double triple starts with 3 yarn overs. So 1, 2, 3. So you have the original loop on the hook, which is right here, and then 3 yarn overs. And then you're going to insert into that chain 3 space, yarn over and pull up a loop. So now we have 4 loops on our hook. It's kind of hard to see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2. Oops, it wants to split there. Yarn over, pull through the second 2. Yarn over, pull through the third 2. This yarn is very splitty. And then yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is a double triple. We'll do it one more time because we need 2 of them. 1, 2, 3 yarn overs. Insert into the chain 3 space, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so the pattern so far has a chain 5 and 2 double triples. Then it wants you to do a triple crochet, which is 2 yarn overs. Insert into the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So we're only doing 1 triple now. The next stitch is a double, so we're going to do yarn over once and finish our double, 2, and then we're going to do another triple. So now what we've done is, if you look at the original leaf here, we start with high point, we go to the low point, which is our double crochet, and then we go back to a high point here. So now we're going back to the high point, which means we're going to yarn over twice to do a triple, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And then we are going to do 2 double triples. I need some yarn there. So double triple, 3 yarn overs before we insert. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another double triple, so 3 yarn overs, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we had this chain 5 over here, so we don't want to just chain 5 and then go to the next leaf, because this chain 5 would become this chain 5 that jumps over to the next leaf, but we want to start way down here at the bottom. So this is a really cool trick if you ever have to do anything where you're going from one loop to another and you need to be down here at the bottom. So you're going to chain 5 first, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to insert your hook here and do a slip stitch, and that's your first leaf. So your leaf, I'm going to take my hook out here really fast. So if you notice, your leaf has this nice little high side, it comes down in the middle, and then it goes back to a high side here. So let's do our second leaf. It's exactly the same thing that we just did. So we're going to go to the next chain 3 space. So all of those stitches were done in the first chain 3 space. We're going to the next chain 3 space, and we're going to do a slip stitch first. Oops, I was going to do a single. Then chain 5, 5, and then we're going to do a double triple. Remember, double triple, 3 yarn overs before you insert. And then when you go to yarn over and pull through 2, you're going to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do another double triple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a triple is only 2 yarn overs before you insert. 1, 2, 3. So a triple crochet, you only yarn over and pull through 2 3 times. Now we're going to do a double, which is 1 yarn over, insert into the space, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 twice. Then you're going to do another triple, so 2 yarn overs. Let me get some yarn here after I finish this triple. It's a brand new skein of yarn, so it's kind of hard to get the yarn to come out of it really quickly. So now we're going to do another double triple, so 3 yarn overs. 2, 3. So remember, double triple, you yarn over and pull through 3, or pull through 2 4 times. 1 more double triple, so 3 yarn overs. And then the last thing for this leaf is to chain 5. 3, 4, 5, and you're going to go back into that same chain 3 space and just do a slip stitch. There we go. Now I'm going to pull my hook out. And now you can see you have 2 of the 3 leaves of the clover or the shamrock. So I'm going to do one more leaf. There we go. So one more leaf. Okay, so for the 3rd leaf, we're going to slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. Make sure you're going into the space. Then you're going to chain 5. Then do a double triple, actually 2 double triples. That's 1. And here's the second one. And then you're just going to do a triple, which is 2 yarn overs, and then pull through 2 3 times. And then you're going to do a double. And you're going to do a triple again, so we can go back to the larger, taller part of the leaf. Then you're going to do 2 double triples, which is the 3 yarn overs. There's 1. Sometimes those double triples take a little bit to get through, don't they? 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you're going to chain 5 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to slip stitch in that same chain 4 space, or chain 3 space, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to take my hook out again. So now we've got the 3 leaves, so all we have left to make is the stem. Okay, so all we have left now is the little tail that we need, or the stem of the shamrock. So to do that, we're going to slip stitch into that last chain 3 space. We're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, then we're going to skip the first 3 double crochet, or first 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to work into the 4th chain. We're going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain and the next 5 chains. So that's 1. So it's for a total of 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one is 6. Actually, I'm going not, and we're going to do number 7 also. I like the way it looks when you have all of them worked into. And then all you have left to do is slip stitch into the first slip stitch of the round, and then I've already cut the yarn so we can fasten off. Oops. And we are done with our shamrock. So the tails still need to be woven in, and that's simple to do. I have videos on that as well, so make sure you check that out. But there is our quickie shamrock. Now, if I was not working on a video, this would take me less than 5 minutes to make. It depends on the yarn I'm using. I'm using a worsted weight, so it would go faster because I can see my stitches. If I was doing thread, it might take me a little longer. But literally, that is all there is to making this cute little shamrock. So I hope you enjoyed this little quickie video. If you're looking for the actual pattern for the video, make sure you check out my blog at KarenHooley.com. I'll have the link in the show notes. But that is all there is to making a cute little shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.